Hello and welcome back to another Scuderia car parts video. Today we're having a look at our other customers 488 Spider, this time finished in Rosso Corsa. You'll notice that the side skirts and the roof and the air intake side blades are now finished in black. That was a wrap that we did for the customer, so if you have any wrapping needs, we're more than happy to take care of them for you as well. As for the modifications that we've done to this car, the first thing that we've done is we've installed the Novitec sport springs and wheel spacers. So, if we have a quick look up close, you will see that just here we've got the spacers. And you can't really see because the calipers are so large, but the Novitec sport springs are in there. In fact, we may be able to get a better look at them from the back. Yes, just over there. We've got the Novitec sport springs. This has resulted in the car being lowered by, again, 20 to 30 mil. And again, the concern that we have from a lot of customers is that the sport springs will in some way compromise the ride quality, and we can assure you that this is not true. Really, they behave almost like the OEM shocks, or shock springs, up until the point that you're driving in extremis. So, under incredible loads, the car will then stiffen up, and this manifests itself in such a way as the car will sort of dip less, the nose will dip less when you brake, and the nose will also pitch up less when you accelerate. The other thing that we've done to this car is that the calipers were originally finished in black, and we have carried out a full repaint in giallo, which looks lovely, and that's a perfect match for the wheel caps. And then the modifications do not stop there. We also installed a Novitec back box. We've also done the Capristo cat delete pipes, the Capristo programmable OBD Wizard, and this ensures that the lambda sensors do not cause a warning light on the dash. It doesn't cancel any other warning lights, merely the ones that pertain to emissions. And then finally, we've also installed the Capristo performance box. So what this does, it's an aluminium die-cast housing, which comes with all the appropriate connectors and cables that you might require. And it was developed to complement the exhaust system by utilising the sort of unreserved power reserves that the car might have. And what we're not doing is ringing the neck. So this car is not approaching necessarily the mechanical limit of what's possible. So you're not putting the engine under extreme stress, and you're not at risk of damaging the car. But what it does is it increases the power from 670 PS all the way up to 720 PS, and in theory you could actually take it all the way up to 750 if tuned correctly, and the torque is increased by somewhere between 40 to 60 Newton meters. So what this results in is just a slightly more finely tuned car, a car that sounds much more like the V8 Ferrari that it's supposed to be, because obviously the big concern that everyone has with the 488 is the sound. The sound is not necessarily what the 458 left us with, nor the 430, the 360 or the 355. So this is another fantastic car that we've modified. The customer's going to be fantastically happy, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.